I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burrito with 2 tortillas. Using 2 tortillas is a fantastic way to enhance your burrito. It provides extra structural support, preventing any messy tears or spills, especially with generous fillings. This technique also creates a more substantial and satisfying meal, ensuring every delicious ingredient stays securely wrapped inside. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference for a perfect burrito. To begin, lay 2 large flour tortillas on a flat surface, overlapping them by approximately 1/3 of their diameter. This creates a wider, more robust base for your burrito. Gently warm the tortillas for about 10 to 15 seconds each, making them more pliable and less likely to crack. Then, arrange your desired fillings in a horizontal line across the center of the overlapped tortillas, leaving ample space on the sides. Now for the delicious fillings. Distribute your ingredients evenly across the center of the tortillas, leaving about 2 inches of clear space on the left and right sides. A good guideline is to use no more than 1½ cups of total filling to prevent overstuffing. For best results, layer heartier ingredients like rice or beans first to create a stable foundation, then add your proteins and wetter components like salsa. Finally, it's time to roll. First, fold in the 2 shorter sides of the overlapped tortillas over the filling. Next, take the bottom edge of the tortillas and pull it tightly up and over the ingredients, tucking it in firmly to create a compact cylinder. Continue rolling the burrito forward, applying consistent, gentle pressure. This technique ensures a snug, secure wrap, keeping all your delicious fillings perfectly contained from the first bite to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.